sometimes have a falcon here.
What?
A falcon. You know falcon, the bird?
Yes.
They have a small one.
This is a bebop parrot.
Yeah, but the falcon...
Ah,
yeah,
I catch it.
Sometimes, look, it's always coming that way, goes here, and then go over there and go back again. It's not a pilgrim falcon, it's a smaller one. But it attacks when something is not good. I don't like it. But I think they're far away there because they're nesting far away. So
I've flown there.
Yeah.
No problems.
No.
Maybe here?
No.
It's dangerous.
But like you see when they come, you hear when they come because they're shouting because there are two of them that are going to make a pair. Yeah. So you can hear them when they're coming.
So now we are making some...
Yes, the new free flight.
Yeah.
Yellow GP.
Okay. How long is your flight time? Around 20 minutes? Yeah, the time is 20 minutes. I think it depends from your speed and...
Yes, I've got the battery, doesn't make any more 20 minutes.
I have a Nova X. The price fell from 700 to 300 euros, and I bought it. And I have bought a battery for it for 7,000 milliamps.
7,000.
But I didn't try it because in Germany always bad weather. In good weather I have to work on the weekend, and I have off. It's bad weather, rainy. Now it's okay.
So
the switches. Okay.
can you try it? You wanna try it? Interrogation. That's good.
Now we make a video from eye to eye.
Eyes on the ice.
Oh, wait. I've been connected with the ride controller, so be careful. Okay, now it's disconnected.
Connected. Shaky. They're filming each other.
Not too close. Birds. Angry bird.
Damn, let's record the train. Angry birds. There's a lot of jelly effect again.
Yeah.
I hate this.
Where's yours? think I have to reduce my speed.
It's near the train line.
Okay. I saw in the television, in the TCS in Lisboa airport, there was a incident, or not an incident, there was a near fly with a drone. The pilot has seen a drone in near the airport.
I saw something about that. And some guys playing with the lasers.
Yeah, and switch to the others, from I think from TVE to SIG. There was another with a laser. I thought it was the same.
That's good.
Now I have some disconnection here.
Disconnection?
No, from the video. So it shows me the age. See it here. The distance. But
No height.
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
Strange. Shaking a lot. Let's see.
What is your turning speed? When it's
40.
40?
Rotation.
Max is rotating, yeah?
Yes, 20.
Okay.
120. No, to 200.
That's the turning speed, huh?
No, this is not turning speed. rotation speed.
So now Andreas,
40. I use 40.
Okay.
This slow turning.
Okay. No, I think 60 is okay.
Hold on.
Fight of the aliens. Oh. Don't want to crash. Can you see the videos from the belly camera?
Belly camera? No,
yeah,
no,
I've found some videos on YouTube from the belly cameras. Someone has tracked it.
Really?
Yeah, it's a bad quality.
But from the Bebop 2 or the ER
Bebop
drone?
2, yes. Bebop 2.
I never saw.
I don't see it. Battery 50%.
57. X battery. Let's see. Dog barking.
How many sky controllers do you have? One or two?
This time I have two. A guy quit Bebops and gave me the sky.
The newest one is a black one. You know the black one?
Yes,
But I don't know if there's some difference between the older one and the newer one.
the difference is the battery is from the Bebop 1. There's not much difference.
Okay.
There's a new sky controller, smaller, good for smaller, good for travel.
Toggle.
So, here comes.
Olá, chefe.
Boa tarde.
Então, oh, Entschuldigung. Chefe soll man nicht sagen. Entschuldigung.
Portuguese.
Valeu.
Antônio.
Spricht Portugiesisch.
Ja?
Não, alemão.
Ah, não. Sabe falar português, não?
Português falo.
E nada de alemão?
Não,
Pouquíssimo. Pouco ou nada.
das ist der große.
Comando, ja. Isso. Esse comando é diferente. Ah, du kannst auch was sagen.
Den Neukos, 400 Euro.
Patient?
Novo.
Patient.
Usado 250. Ist okay, aber das hat, also hast du 2 Kilometer.
Ja, aber die
Kilometer.
sind
Wir sind gleich.
gleich.
Jetzt Star, YouTube-Star.
Okay, dann viel Spaß. So wie
Sehr gut. The gigabytes file, video file. It's a lot.
I have 32 gigabytes internal, but then I transfer it from my internal to my SD card.
Yeah, the 32 gigabytes card, SD card.
How can I create a flight plan?
Create a flight plan.
Yeah, that's. I never tried it.
I'm gonna turn off now.
Or did it circle around me? No? It's a follow mode. No?
No,
Not-
VR Pro got follow mode.
Okay.